they was putting in 1,000,001 screws as well. The new windows have 6 screws in it. Then this window must have been falling out. Somebody just went and threw glue all up on the window down this side, I guess maybe to help weather lot. I don't know. Doesn't even get that cold down here. 2 months of cold weather maybe. I'm so proud of the first window, but this one, and I'm not so proud about the window like I did such a fantastic job. I'm proud that I even was able to get the window in. You guys gave me some good ideas in the last video. I might need to just upload this video so you can tell me how to get this darn window out. I'm gonna try and cut the adhesive. They put that adhesive on like for old and new. They did not want that adhesive to ever come out. So here we go. When I tell y'all this stuff, that adhesive is thick. It's like they didn't think they was putting in 1,000,001 screws as well. The new windows have 6 screws in it. This one has 40 screws. I don't think I'm going to do it today. And I'm thinking the reason why this one may not come out today is because I've got about 2 hours of shade on this side. Maybe 2.5, about 1 o'clock. The sun is over here. Well, you can see it on my hand already. See? It's not going to happen. I'll have to come over very early in the morning. I don't think I can do this one. And I don't know how to take it out. I'm so proud of the first window, but this one, and I'm not so proud about the window like I did such a fantastic job. I'm proud that I even was able to get the window in. You guys gave me some good ideas in the last video. I might need to just upload this video so you can tell me how to get this darn window out. I don't know. When I tell you this thing stuck up in here, maybe I'll just go on the inside and push it out. Because I don't care if the window breaks. I kind of want it for my greenhouse, but I don't know. One thing I think I need to do is move the ladder maybe back this way. I don't think I'm working from a good position. I guess this is like the slow and steady wins the race. The other one came out so easy. That's a little bit easier to move. That thing is stuck like what? Fort Knox, sealed down. Loosening up a little bit. Hate to have to go back up one more, but I think I ain't gonna have to. Because way up here, looks like they put 2 cans of sealant or adhesive all by itself. I wish it was some stuff, maybe that WD-40. Spray that in there or drop some oil along there and help that adhesive to loosen. Oh, here it comes. Look at that, you guys. Oh my goodness, now what do I do? Because if I had to pull it out, this thing looks heavy. feel like if I lift it up, it'll come up off of there. I just don't want it to, I don't want it to fall on me. I guess that would be great video watching though, wouldn't it? If it fell on the 64-year-old lady. Maybe I'll go inside and try and pull it down. I don't know no other way. That thing is stuck. And of course, I'm not strong. I'm not even really sure about how much is stuck. Or I'm just not. If I'm not tired of seeing these wasps, these wasp cones, this wasp, that's why they're flying all around the mobile home. They're all up under this siding. So gross. I was going to show it to you guys. It fell off. I was thinking about salvaging this. Here it is. You see that? I mean, could I fix that? I guess it's not even a question of can I fix it. Do I want to? Wasps are probably going in there. So much work, you guys. If I end up restoring this thing, wouldn't that be a miracle?